So this really cool box that kind of has a retro vibe and a futuristic vibe at the exact same time is actually a Bluetooth speaker that merges high fidelity double horn surround sound with a 11.4 inch translucent color screen. So not only is it going to play music and white noise, you can also add your own photos onto it, own videos onto it, and well, have a vibe with it. So taking this off, I'm excited to test this out. Let's go. So what we're actually looking at today is called the Aerial X from Auzo, and you can actually connect it to an app called AI More, which we're going to connect to right now, and have complete full control over your speaker and video frame. Once you have the AI More app downloaded, you are going to connect it to the Aerial X. To do this, you do need to go into the photos on the Aerial X. That will put it into Bluetooth discovery mode, and then when you come to your app and you hit connect, it will automatically find it and you can start connecting. Now through the app, we do have a bunch of different kind of customization things we can do. We can switch the colors of the ambient lights on the outside. We can then choose any type of cool kind of pattern we would like to use. Again, it's all about creating the right vibe. And then we can come over to my device. We'll have the volume that we can control, the screen brightness, and of course we can set a sleep and wake up time. So through the app, you can actually upload your own photos, so then it can be displayed. So I have gone through and picked a couple from a recent trip, and we're going to start sending it. You can add a caption, and now it will send. Okay, now let's actually take a closer look at the Aerial X. So we did just add these photos on. So now we can have that set up as our visuals that is going to scroll through. Now this is fantastic for some white noise and calming visuals. So you can choose anything from trains, summer nights, thunderstorms, forest sounds, flames, flowing water. Let's go with that one. As you can see, it's calming, it's relaxing, it has really crisp sound. We can turn the brightness down, so it's perfect for a night light. And it does actually project light behind it as well, so it does really create this fantastic atmosphere. Now we can obviously play music from our phone. And as we play music from our phone, it does create custom visuals. Again, it's really designed to not only have you immersive with the sound, but immersive with the visuals as well. So another great feature is it actually uses AI to produce the lyrics of the song live on the screen. So if you want to sing along or anything like that, you do have a great feature. So besides the great sound, you do actually have some great visual aspects as well. You do have some different kind of visuals you can choose from. So not only can this be used as a great, fantastic, high quality speaker, but it can be used as an art piece or a piece of visual aid to add to the aesthetic of your surroundings or your house or wherever you want it to be. I see the Aerial X as more than just a speaker and more than just a digital photo frame in your house. It can actually be a piece of art decor. You can change up the visuals to anything you want. You can custom make visuals if you want and upload them onto it. You can add as a photo frame, sharing your family or your great memories of traveling or pastimes. Or you can have different visuals playing while you're playing your music to actually have the aesthetics and the vibe just right. Not only that, it can be used as a mood light or a night light. It can be used as a calming mechanism with the white noise to help you sleep. The possibilities with the Aerial X is really fantastic because, like I said, it's more than just a photo frame, it's more than just a speaker. It allows you to customize it exactly how you want. Paired with the AI More app means that you can control it all by the touch of your phone, or if you have a house system that you like to use to control all your digital assets, then well, it's just perfect for that. So for more information and to take advantage of the early bird price of $99, we are going to leave a link below for the Aerial X from Auzo. Now I'd love to hear what you thought about this in the comments. Please, of course, like the video, share it with a friend that you think may be interested in the Aerial X, and subscribe for some more great reviews like this.